So as we hit the fourth quarter for 2020, so much has happened. And I'm wondering, have you taken a peek at your books lately? This is Ron Wojciechowski with Beach House Consulting with a couple of tips for end of year strategies. Let's face it, a lot of us took the option to extend our personal taxes as well as our corporate taxes. So sometime in the month of September, say like the 14th, you submitted your business taxes on the 15th of September, and then your personal was due on the 15th of October. You probably had to pay in earlier in the year to avoid the penalties, but by now you're pretty much done with taxes. Something you might have been done with way earlier in the year most years, say by March 15th and April 15th. And without that 6 month of buffer or relaxation from it, so to speak, you're probably not thinking that, geez, I need to be planning for my taxes for 2020 returns that are due in March and April of 2021. We're probably not there mentally or emotionally or maybe even physically, but it's upon us. So as we look at the end of 2020, what's on my mind? Well, the first thing is, where am I on my P&L? Did I make some money this year? Did I lose some? Is there anything that I have sold during the year or might sell before December 31st that could affect what I pay in taxes and benefit me as I roll into 2021? These are all great questions. I'm not recommending anybody sell something before the end of the year to avoid higher taxes next year. Depending on the outcome of the election, most economic policy takes a while before it takes effect, and I don't know that 2021 taxes being paid on April 15th for the 2020 year can change all that dramatically, and I believe there's time to work on those things. Now, what I do think is this: if you have an opportunity, and it doesn't matter too much to make a sale before the end of the year or next year, or an investment during the same time period, get together with your CPA and really look at the strategy. Where are you today? If at the year ended today, what would your tax due be? And if you project it through the end of the year, what would that look like? And then it's a matter of moving numbers from December of 2020 into January of 2021, and then deciding, tax-wise, what makes the most sense. Now, if it's something you have to do, then you have to just follow the plan. You have to do what needs to be done. But if there's a choice or an option, it's really hard to make a proper decision unless you have your P&Ls in front of you and you're paying attention to what the moving parts are and how they might affect each other. And chances are that one move begets another move, begets another move. So you may have a lot of moving parts, maybe more than you realize. So my thought for the day is, end of the year, tax planning is well underway. And if you're doing it, fantastic. And if you're not, hey, today's just a little wake-up call. You may want to take a look at it before it's too late to make a change that you might have known if you're armed with that information. Hopefully you're enjoying the content over. Click or comment below. Please subscribe. This is Ron Wojciechowski for Beach House Consulting.